Now, let's welcome Dr. Alex Bach, who is professor at the Catalan Institute Research and Advanced Studies and at the Department of Ruminant Production of Institute of Agri-Food Research and Technology in Spain. So, hello, Dr. Alex Bach.
Thank you for the invitation. It's a pleasure to be here.
So, first question, why do you think it is important to work on ruminal pH?
If something that important as rumen pH gets out of hand or goes beyond a threshold, then disease will occur, okay? Not in terms of disease per se, but inflammation and changes in the immune function will take place. Basically, what happens is that when some of these bacteria die, like gram-negative bacteria, they will, some fragments of their bacterial wall will be exposed, like lipopolysaccharides. These lipopolysaccharides are powerful immune stimulator. They actually promote inflammation. And that's what you can see in this slide. We're comparing animals that are under normal conditions in rumen pH and animals under a SARA, Sub Acute Ruminal Acidosis. And you can see that actually there's an accumulation in both in the rumen and in the blood of the animal. So it has an effect locally on the rumen, but also an effect on the entire host of that concentration of LPS. What LPS or lipopolysaccharide will do is will trigger an inflammation response. And also, you can also see this in the slide. There is at two levels. First, at a transcription level, so there will be an expression of that inflammation interleukins, and not only the expression, but also they will be actually expressed, they will be transcribed into proteins, and that will elicit inflammation. When that happens, that has an energy and a protein cost for the animal. So we now have an animal that is an inflammatory status, driving away nutrients that otherwise wouldn't be used for milk production or reproduction. Now they are being diverted to elicit an inflammatory response that is not going anywhere, okay? So that's the first sign, or the first disease that we can have. It's a pre-pathological status, if you wish. There is also an actual pathological status, which is if the animals are exposed to rumen acidosis for a continuous period, or for an extended time of an extended amount of time, the rumen wall will become brittle and will become permeable to some bacteria. And then these bacteria will actually be able to penetrate the rumen wall and be transported through the portal vein into the liver. And then they will actually live in the liver, causing liver abscesses. And of course, ultimately, that will compromise the physiology of the animal, right? We think that the milk is produced in the udder, but actually milk is produced in the liver. And when these bacteria colonize the liver and cause liver abscesses, then we are minimizing the capacity of the animal to supply nutrients for the mammary gland to produce milk.
Okay, very, very interesting. Thank you very much, Dr. Alex Bach.